we have these three pairs of equation here to solve simultaneously. So apart from using matrix to solve three pairs of equation, you can still use elimination method to solve the three pairs of equation without any difficulties. So let me explain how you can solve it without facing any challenge. So in solving three pairs of equations simultaneously, what you will do, you use the same method of elimination, but you make sure you eliminate the third variable so that you can be able to handle only two variables. So in doing that, let's start. So now in doing that, we have these three pairs of equation here. So now we are going to go with the first two equation, right? Because we want to eliminate z so that we can have only two variables to be able to solve simultaneously. So we first eliminate equation. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So we will first eliminate z from equation 1 and 2. Eliminate z from equation 1 and 2. So now with that, we are going to have 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 19. So from here we have 4x minus y plus 2z is equal to 4. So if you take it very well, trying to eliminate z here, you must make z carry the same coefficient of what? Of 2, or carry the same coefficient as the second equation. So in doing that, we are going to multiply we are going to multiply equation. We are going to multiply equation 1 by 2. So we multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 times 3, that gives us 6x. 2 times 2y, that gives us 4y. 2 times minus z, that gives us minus 2z is equal to 2 times 19, that gives us 38, right? So we now bring our second equation. 4x minus y plus 2z is equal to 4. So now if you look at these two pairs of equation, for you to be able to eliminate z here, you are going to add equation 1 from equation 2. You are going to add this equation. So if you are going to add this from here, equation 1 from equation 2, 6 plus 4, that gives us 10x. 4y plus, that is the same thing as 4y plus minus y. This sign will overcome this sign, that gives us 3y. So here we are going to have 3y, then here minus 2z plus 2z. This gives us what? 0. So we have eliminated z, and that will be equal to 38 plus this and 4, that gives us 42. This is equation 4. So now we'll still go and pick another two pairs of equation. We'll pick equation 1 and equation 3. So we'll now pick equation 1 and 3. So we're picking 1 and 3. That will be 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 19, and equation 3, 2x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 32. So with that, we still eliminate z so that we can combine the two equations to be able to find x and y. So in doing that, we are going to multiply equation 1, because it's still equation 1. Multiply equation 1 with 5, because we must make z to carry the same coefficient of 5 from here, right? So in doing that, we have 5 times z, that gives us 15x plus 5 times 2, that gives us 10y. 5 times minus z, that gives us 5z. Minus 5z, 19. No, sorry. 19 times 5. Let's check it. 19 times 5. 5 times this is 45, right? Write 5. Then 5 times 1, that gives us 95. So here is what? 95. So we now bring the third equation, 2x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 32. So now, what are we going to do here to be able to eliminate this? We are going to subtract equation 2 from 1. So in doing that, we are going to subtract equation 2 from 1. So in doing that, let's continue from here. Let's continue. So in doing that, you have 2 minus 15, that gives us 13. That gives us 13x. That is 2x minus 15x, that gives us 13x. And 4y minus 10y, that gives us 6y is equal. Sorry. Then here, when you say this minus 5 minus 5 minus 5, this plus will overcome, this minus will overcome, will make this to become minus 5 plus 5. And minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So which means z will be eliminated. So you now have equal to, so here you have 32 minus this, that gives us 6, 3, right? Then this becomes our equation 5. So now, using equation 4 and 5, solve sorry to solve simultaneously. So this is our equation 4 and this is our equation 5, to be able to uh, eliminate to be able to solve for x and y. So that will give us 10x plus 3y is equal to 42. And we still have, here we have 13x plus 6y is equal to 63, right? So now, to be able to eliminate one of the variable here, we are going to make, let's first eliminate y. So let's make the first equation to carry the same coefficient of 6. So here we are going to multiply by 2. I'll multiply equation 5. This is equation 4. This is equation 5. We are multiplying it here by what? By 1. So that gives us 2 times 10. Let's continue this side. So 2 times 10, that gives us 20x. 2 times, that gives us 6y is equal to 84, right? Then here 1 times everything will remain the same, plus 6y is equal to 63. So for us to be able to eliminate y, we are going to subtract equation, subtract equation, equation 5 from equation 4, right? So with that, this 13 minus 20, that gives us 7x. Here everything will go, 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 63 minus 84, that will give us 21. So divide both sides by 7. 7 will cancel 7. X will be equal to 3. So now we know the value of x. So now from equation 5, putting the value of x from equation 5, this is equation 5. So we have 13x plus 6y is equal to 63. So here we know that x is 3. So 13 bracket open 3 plus 6y is equal to 63. 13 times 3, that is 13 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times, that gives us 39. So here we now have 39 plus 6y is equal to 63. And 6y is equal to 63 minus 39. So 63 minus 39, borrow 1 here, that makes it 13. 13 minus 9, that gives us 4. So remain here 5. 3 minus 5, that gives us 2. So here, let's continue this side. Let's continue from here. So that 6y is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6. 6 cancel 6. Y is equal to 4. So now we know the value of x to be. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4. But we have not. Z is equal to what? We don't know the value of z. So now we are going to use either of the equation here, the original equation, one of them, to put in the values of x and y to be able to find z. So for that, let's now, using the original equation, we can either use either equation 1, 2, or 3. Let's use equation 1 to find the value of z. So to find the value of z, we're going to use equation 1. From equation 1, we have 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 19. But x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. So with that, where you see x, put, so 3 bracket open 3 plus 2 bracket open 4 minus z is equal to 19. So with that, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 times 4 is 8 minus z is equal to 19, and 9 plus 8, that is 17, minus z is equal to 19. We correct like ten, minus z is equal to 19 minus 17. Minus z is equal to 2. Divide both sides by minus z. Sorry, by minus sign. Divide both sides by minus sign. So in doing that, minus cancel, z is equal to minus 2. So that is just to do it. So guys, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you can follow more of this. Thank you.